Inside a quiet police department, where an exhausted officer begins another long night, a young woman stands accused of concealing items in her purse. A small mistake that's about to change her night completely.
Hi.
Hello, how are you?
Tired.
Tired?
Since 2 in the morning.
Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. Alright, so these are the items that she concealed into her purse. We watched her select everything and put everything into that purse. Is this her ID?
No, this is my bag. Her purse is out there.
Yeah. So they've been really cooperative. I thought that she was a minor at first, hence why the family's in here. Otherwise, they would have stayed out. But yeah, they've been really, really cooperative.
She's 18.
Yep, just turned 18. Yep. I'll let you talk to her. My printer's broken, so I've got to write the affidavit. I'm sorry.
South Carolina.
Yeah.
Trying to find the daggum.
Very good stuff.
Friday Lake 324 Lake 65 South Carolina deal.
As the officers go over details, her mother looks on, confused and disappointed. They're far from home, visiting family in Florida, and this arrest wasn't part of the vacation plan.
Okay. Your family.
Yeah. Unfortunately.
Has she ever been in trouble before?
No. She almost got kicked out of our house by her stepdad for getting a speeding ticket. Like,
Okay.
she has.
Do y'all live here in Florida now?
No,
or?
we're visiting my parents. We're supposed to leave tonight. I'm meeting my mom for like an early dinner.
Alright. So she's 18. This is family. They live in South Carolina, leaving tonight to go back to South Carolina. She just turned 18.
The tension in the room grows as the officer explains that she's officially 18, old enough to be charged as an adult.
Read what we call Miranda warnings. Okay. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him present with you while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any questioning if you wish. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements.
The girl quietly acknowledges each one, realizing the gravity of the situation. In that moment, her carefree attitude from earlier is replaced by visible regret.
Feeling really dumb. I'm so sorry.
Okay.
Yeah, everything she asked for, put it in the buggy. Like, we were just trying to get out of my parents' house for a little bit because it's 75 degrees. And they're like, it's freezing in here. Let's go to the store. Get what you want.
Okay. So you concealed them in your purse there?
Yes, ma'am. You can look at my purse. I have
I'm
nothing.
going to. I'm going to search you too, so.
I have nothing else. I gave him everything.
Yeah, let's do it. Do you have anything on your person I need to know about?
No, ma'am. I gave him everything back. I have nothing.
That's fine. I meant more along the lines of any weapons. Drugs,
Oh, no,
anything
ma'am.
like
No,
that.
no,
Okay. All right, I'll just have you stand right here for me. I'm just going to go through here.
The police begin searching her belongings, uncovering a night of poor choices wrapped in innocence and immaturity.
Let me give phone to mom for now, okay?
Okay.
You're fraud.
Yes, ma'am. It's just strapless.
You're fine. I'm just gonna have you face this way. Alright, so you do have to turn around and put
Am
your
I getting
hands-
arrested?
I have to detain you at the moment, okay?
The situation turns serious as the officer places her in handcuffs, a symbol of accountability she clearly wasn't expecting.
I do like 324, like I have female detained. Alright. Can I have a seat here for me?
Am I doing this?
So here's the thing. You're not a resident of Florida. So I can't issue her a notice to appear because you live out of state. So she has to go to jail for it.
Can I drive here? I can drive down to go to court.
Unfortunately, no. There's
Anytime you don't live in Florida, you have to go to jail for the offense because our notice to appear is for, like, if you were a resident here, it'd be different. Then if you don't have any criminal history, we could
Even
just...
from here to Jacksonville, I couldn't give you one of those court dates.
Yeah, you have to live...
Can we use like my grandma's address or anything? I'll drive down.
If she has no priors, it's going to just be a misdemeanor offense. I think it's a $500 bond. If you use a bonds bailsman, you just pay, I think the minimum's $100, so it'd be $100. So you could go literally right up there, she can post her bond, and she can get right back out. But she is going to have a court date, she's going to have to come back for court, the whole deal. So, you know, if she was still a juvenile, it would have been honestly the same scenario because you don't
How long
live
does she
here,
stay in
so-
if I don't come bail her out?
Until she
Until
bonds
she bonds
out.
out or time served, 30
Yeah.
days, 45 days.
So,
The girl's mother pleads for understanding, but the law leaves no room for exceptions.
We leave it by 30 minutes. I can't just limit this to your brothers and the rest of the family. She did something so freaking stupid.
I mean, if she has family here and they want to bond her
Oh,
out, pick her
no,
up, but
they're gonna disown her after that. They're like heavy church people.
Alright.
They're not even gonna
you're under 21 in the state of Florida, you also cannot vape.
That's not
So-
mine. That's my mom's.
Okay, it's in your possession, so I'm just telling you
Yes, ma'am, I
that
know,
you
but it-
can't have that in the state of Florida until you're 21.
Yes, ma'am, I
Okay,
know.
so it'll go to your mom, but
Yes, ma'am, I know.
you can be issued citation for that, and that's a whole nother. I'm not going to, but just so you're aware, okay?
You have to go to jail. It is a whole process. I work in trauma. I watch these guys take people into me. It takes a long time. You have to
I would say, and I'm not just trying to be rude about it, it's just the simple fact you're not a resident here, so I have to take you. It's, you know,
We couldn't like use my grandma's address or anything to like say that.
you're not a resident.
The girl realizes she'll have to spend the night behind bars for what she calls something stupid. Her family's disappointment cuts deeper than any punishment the court could deliver.
Call grandma's gonna be like, okay, well, we're not gonna meet you because your grandmother's in jail. For what? For a sunblock that she just put in a damn buggy?
Do you want purse to go to your mom?
Yes, please.
Put your glasses back in here so they don't get lost and messed up.
But you can't.
For the first time, the teenager who thought she could handle adult choices begins to wish she wasn't one.
Can you please go on my phone and text her and tell me what's going on?
I have other things for you for study.
Go ahead. 26. She's gonna be 10, 15.
How long does her booking and
Our jail's
It's-
pretty quick.
Yeah,
just
it's
depends
drive
on how
time
many people are
there,
there.
and yeah, me typing up the paperwork
It's the
real quick.
end of the shift, so
Could she like follow us?
I mean she can.
You can't. She's still gonna have to wait until
It's probably gonna be a couple hour process.
I'd say probably about 2 hours because it's gonna take 30 minutes to get there, and then paperwork, and then you get there.
Take your picture, your fingerprints.
I'm gonna take this with me. They'll put it in her property, and when she gets out, she'll get her ID back. Okay.
this is gonna kill you.
The password is 8889.
And grandma.
Every minute feels heavier as the officer prepares the paperwork that seals her fate. For this family, a short vacation has turned into a nightmare.
That's a jail address.
Do you have any phone numbers you want her to have?
I know phone numbers, but
Okay, so you're good on that part. Okay. Will you send me a statement when you get it?
Yes.
With the time, I want to go ahead and.
Yeah, you can send her a link.
Huh?
Send her a link.
Okay.
I'll do that pretty quick.
Yeah, no, I will, but if you can just.
I'll be right back in there.
Whose bag is that?
that's not ours.
Not yours. Okay.
Well, yeah.
The answers don't bring comfort. Each one reminds her that actions have consequences, and growing up isn't as easy as turning 18.
We're gonna go all the way down to that next car. Okay.
So what all do we have to do?
Basically, I'm gonna take you to the jail. It's in a totally different town from here. It's about 30 minutes away. I'll work on the paperwork. They'll take your picture, fingerprints. Once you're booked in, you'll have the bond set. Mom or someone, if they want to bail you out, can come bail you out. If they choose not to do that, then you're going to have to sit there until...
Is this gonna be like on my record forever?
Will you stand by real
Do
quick
you
so I
know
fix my
if, because
seatbelt?
I'm going to school to get elementary school teacher, it'll like affect my
Probably
career.
not.
Will it affect my career?
I mean, they'll probably ask you about it.
The officer stays professional, but you can sense the unspoken hope that this experience might change her for the better.
She can't vote, she can't do a lot of things.
What is going on with this?
Use her
Is
hair.
it because it wasn't a certain amount or something?
It's because you're not a resident in the state of Florida.
That's the only reason why.
Can you see if you can get that?
So whenever I get there, can I call people or do I have to
You
wait?
gotta wait till they book you in.
But then there's they have like payphones in the cell, so
They're
you can.
free and booking.
But they're free in booking, so you can make a call.
Like
for
whenever
free.
I'm waiting to get booked?
No, you. It's harder.
Am I
I'll get
gonna
the air on back here for you, okay?
have- It's okay. And whenever I get there, I'm gonna be changed out of my clothes too, and everything changed.
But
They'll change her into like
a jumpsuit
yeah, and
and
different
orange
shoes.
Crocs. And you get a Florida ID if they look like girl.
All right, I'll get the air going for you in just a
I already
second.
turned it
Okay.
on.
Oh, thank you.
Send the link before you take her off. Yep. Have the email, right?
The final moments show her mother thanking the officers, exhausted and heartbroken. The girl, once confident and carefree, now sits quietly in the back seat, facing the reality of her first arrest.